Hey, only 6 days left till game day. It starts January 2nd, 6:20 a.m. Pacific time. Right now, you're watching the pregame. Insert advertisement here. Day trading is risky, so learn a strategy like mine and practice it in a simulator like I'm about to do right now. And welcome to Eva Trades. Thank you for joining me. It's October 10th in the simulator, and we have 5 minutes to go until the market opens. So let's go ahead and take a look at some charts here. I have three of them off of the gap scan for this morning, and that is IMUX, SOBR, and NURO are the three leading gappers this morning. And I'm looking at the 1 in the 5 minute time frames, as I always do. And I do have the 15 in the hourly up above that I can look at. And so we could do that. On IMUX, you can see we're consolidating here on the 15-minute time frame. Where will we find support? I don't know. Here's a place where we came up to, is around that $5 area. I don't know if I like that so much. Consolidated on the 15 here. And wow. Yeah, I don't know about all of this. Looking kind of weak on the day, huh? Well, I guess we'll start out with IMUX. So we currently have a 5 minute downtrend with a lower high and a lower low. Breaking this support right here, holding it. Let's see, $5.40. Well, not really holding it. So where are we gonna find that place where we'll bounce? So this is that line I put here that we saw on the 15 minute. So I guess, that's a good pivot. That was a red candle on the 15 minute time frame. We may bounce there. I'll leave that line right there. We also have $5 psychological. Right now, increasing volume on this pullback right here. So that's favors the bears a little bit, but we'll see if that actually will favor the bears. Sometimes it can be the opposite. So we also have, let's see if I draw a line here, something like that. So just a descending line, something to make note of, kind of a channel. It's almost a wedge. No, but I'm not going to go too crazy with that. So SOBR here, after all of this consolidation, now making its move, bulls would like to get over the top of probably 317. Yeah. 2.5 minutes to go till the bell. We got a high pre-market here of 345. So after that 2-bar pullback on the 15-minute time frame, you see that 2-bar pullback, and now bulls attempting to make this the temporary bottom. Do we have a 5-minute trend change? Not yet. But we are trying to get a higher high. We had an inside bar bear break, inside bar bull break. Okay. We'll keep an eye on it. See what we get. We have a support down here. So after the bulls are done with whatever they're doing here, a pullback, anything above 286 on a pullback would be a higher low. Bulls would like to see a higher low and a higher high to confirm that the 15-minute higher low has been set. Sorry about that. I was looking at something. We certainly have a 1-minute uptrend, so I'd say by now the higher low is set on that 15-minute. And URO, what can you say about this one? It's definitely going to need some more volume. Same goes for the other two also. So it's a light volume morning. 1 minute to go till the market opens. And URO, I feel like, is a little bit weaker than the other two names. We have a support here. but I don't know that that will hold. You have $3 psychological down here. So we'll see. We're trading below the VWAP. Whoops. Right now, I don't really have a trade in mind, except for maybe SOBR. SOBR, there's going to be a new 15-minute candle. So we might see a pullback. I'm looking for, I guess I'd be scouting a higher low on the 1 minute time frame here. Plenty of room to work with. Bulls made a pretty nice move. So maybe we bounce off the VWAP and then see a break through. Keep doing that. A break through 323. There we go. So bounce off the VWAP, break through 323. That was nice. I, of course, cannot trade in that first 1 minute. But I am still interested in SOBR breaking through the highs. 20 seconds to go before I can place a trade. Keeping an eye on IMUX over there also. Well, there goes SOBR breaking through. That's unfortunate that it went without me. I'll buy that. I'm also going to get in over here on IMUX and see if we get anything off of that. So stopped out on IMUX. Everybody trading below the VWAP. I wish I hadn't gotten into Nero. I got in there because I'm looking for a move up to the VWAP, but I see the volume here. It's a little lighter than what I'd like. But maybe it'll come in. So I'm holding SOBR right now to try to get a move higher. Trying IMUX again. Ooh. IMUX is holding the VWAP at the moment. I'd say there's a really good chance that I'll get stopped out on SOBR because my stop losses are right in this area, and it's possible we pull back and back test the VWAP. That candle held. Want to see a break over the high of 355. So here it comes down. We'll see if I get stopped out. The low of that candle is 333. Can the bulls hold that low? I'm thinking of exiting half right there, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm taking a bit of a risk holding it. Let's see if we break that high of day. Struggling a little, but we do have some good volume. I'm adding, oops, I added a little high. It wasn't quick enough. So I'm hoping it's not like yesterday where we had the false breakouts that kept getting me. And we'll see here. I think what I should do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take that profit right there. And that's not something that I wanted to do. I wanted to wait and let it work. But if I were to take a loss on 3 orders there, that would put me down below $500 on the day. Quick trade over there on IMUX. I'm going to jump back in it again. You get a better bounce than that. IMUX has a spread on it that I don't like. Now I'm going to get back out. And I'm going to try to buy the dip off over here. Tell you what, I am sweating. I came back and it's warm in here this morning. Let's see what kind of bounce we get here on NURO. Let's see if I can get my order filled. We do have a previous support, now resistance here. Trying to break through that. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of day, so I'm risking only $40. Up 104. There we go. That's not so bad. That was actually pretty good. I'll try it again. Jump back in it for another move up. This one's got a bit of a spread on it too, so I'm going to sell it early. The question is for me is, can I get back to green today? I'm not liking this price action. SOBR is moving really slow. It's just kind of grinding higher, so not my style of stock that I like to trade. IMUX and Nero both have wide spreads and both below the VWAP. So I think I'm going to wait and see if there is a different opportunity that pops up here. What we need is like a break through the high of day or something like that. See, I like Nero there for a bounce off of that area where it's trading right there. But I don't know that I trust it so much. And it's not just that, it's that spread that it has. I like SOBR for a possible trade off of 355. If we get down to that area, I might try to jump in it. But I have to be careful too, because we could drop all the way down to the VWAP. Let's see how strong this stock is. If the bulls jump in and buy the dip right away. I'm in on Nero over here. A little early on it. I'm trying to see if it's going to break right there. There we go. There's the break. Oops. Stopped out there on SOBR, so I tried it. Nero, let's see if we get that move up to the VWAP. Maybe a squeeze. I don't like that at all. Not happy with that price action. So I tried to buy the breakout here on SOBR, and you can see it didn't work for me. I might still try to buy off of 355 if it gives me the chance. And I don't know exactly what happened to Nero there. It like kind of froze up for a bit. I'm watching Nero for a pop up to the VWAP to try to sell, providing I don't get stopped out first. And I'm watching SOBR for a drop down to 355. Can Nero get a squeeze here? There we go. So selling there. Now I'm watching SOBR for that drop down to 355. I'll take a starter at 360 on it. There's that 355 area. I have to be really careful. The VWAP is close by. Yeah, see that right there is what I was kind of afraid of. Let's see if bulls can hold this level. It doesn't look like they're gonna hold. Well, I was gonna sell it there whenever I saw it pop up to 360 and I wasn't quick enough, so I'm gonna wait a little bit now, see if it goes a little higher. Okay, I'll sell it right there. Okay. Tricky price action. So I'm down 200 on the day. It would be nice to catch a move here. See if we break through the VWAP. That's a high a day. We tap the high a day. Yeah. SOBR there. Let's see if we get that move I want. Nero did pull back. So here I am in three times. Let's see if we break through the high on SOBR here. Let's just see if it does it. I'll sell half just to secure some profit on that. Better get back out of Nero. I'm worried that's going to come down. Oh, here we come. So jumping back out of SOBR. Glad I sold half when I did. But not making any progress here, actually going the wrong direction. False breakouts. We have more of those high volume red candles. Just like yesterday, bears kind of dominating. It's very choppy, very risque. Yeah, I think it's going to be another red one. Got that previous support, but it's not going to be real strong, most likely. So is SOBR going to try to make another move here? I want to jump in that. Down at 360 right there. Nah, I'm going to get back out. IMUX. Nice consolidation. See if IMUX can break 525. Get rid of that pink line. There we go. Coming up to the VWAP. I'll sell that. So making back some of that loss on IMUX. 374 is the double top for SOBR. IMUX might make a run for the high of day here. Well, I would have liked to have seen it gone by now. I'm going to sell a bunch of this. Coming back down. See if we can hold that VWAP. Yeah, I'm going to jump back out. So not making any progress on that. I kind of like SOBR here for a move. It's an inside bar. Could get a false breakout here, but I'm gonna try it one time. Yeah, I don't like. I wish I would get out of it right now, but may as well just hold it now. I'm pretty close to losing $100 there. So I keep going in the wrong direction here. So now 360. So now I'm down 300. But I do still like SOBR. I actually want to see it consolidate on the 5-minute. So in once on IMUX. watching SOBR. There we go. I'm in it right there. Well, didn't get in where I wanted it. Must have got some slippage on that. I tried to get in right here, and instead it got me in up here. So I was looking for that drop. All right. Well, if I get stopped out over here on IMUX, that's going to be it for me today, because I will be down below my max loss. But I'm going to give IMUX a chance. Changed my mind. I'm not going to give it a chance. So yeah, unfortunately, that's going to put me down about $500. Just a little over 500 on the day. So that's 2 red days in a row and very choppy price action both days. The trades that I took today are trades I would usually take on any given day. And sometimes you just have days where it just doesn't work. And that's why it's important to manage risk. That's why you don't, you have to know when to throw in the towel and say, that's enough. It's just not working for me today. My strategy is fine. I'm still trading the way I normally trade. It's just the stock market is not cooperating with me today. It's just not the right time for me. Now look, you can see if I had held that, I probably could have made some of that loss back. But that's just the way it's been today. It's just I keep making little bits back and then giving it back again. And so let me just do a quick tally of $40 minus 241 minus 320 puts me down a grand total of negative $521. But I've managed to build up a cushion over the past 5 days of trading, so it's not going to hurt me too bad. I don't want to have too many more red days though. Would certainly like to have some green days coming up. So this is October the 10th, and I'm down negative 521, negative 521. So there we are. So we have these nice green days up, 2 red days in a row now. So I would expect tomorrow to possibly be a green day, maybe a small one, but hey, let's hope for an explosion, right? Right through the highs. So I've managed to give back about $1,000 over the last 2 days. It's manageable, and so we just keep plugging away, and eventually the market will give me some better opportunity and be able to take advantage. I mean, I'm in this this pregame challenge here. I'm in it 35 days now, and I'm up $10,000, and that's on smaller share size. So $10,000 in 35 days, that's pretty good. I mean, I'm green, right? So anyways, now if I had stopped trading on this day, can you imagine? I would be way up here somewhere, up in that $14,000 range. I would actually be up above 14 if you consider the green days after. So that's why it's really important not to have these big days, to really just know when to stop. So anyways, that's my lesson today to you, and in risk management. Risk management is everything. All right, well, that'll do it for me. Thanks for watching. If you made it through this video, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Have a good day. Bye.